Hi guys, these are our new puppies that we just got today. They are a month old and they're just babies. Alexis, what do you think about the puppies?
They're cute and I love them.
What are their names?
Sky and Jordan.
Well guys, look at the puppies. They are cute. Like I said, they only a month old. And we got them today. They are Chihuahua mixed with Wiener dog. So now we have 2 cats and 3 dogs. And these are girl dogs. And then we have 1 boy. That we're going to get the girls spaded or neutered. One of the 2. I don't know which is for girls. There go Alexis on her phone. So you guys happy you got the puppies?
This one's mine.
No, it's everybody's. Alright guys. Aww, they so cute. Yes, they are.
Fall asleep on me. She just comes over and starts.
I'm gonna post this on. I'm gonna post this on YouTube and Facebook. All right, guys. 5 people.
Do I got feed them again?